2021. Here's Männikönkatu 7 stickers C, and we're also gonna check the stickers A here. We have been in the stickers A visuals as an innovator. Built in 1991, turning 30 years old this year in 2021. It will be inspected in the next year, 2022. And the serial number is H66945. Capacity is 4 persons, port of 125 grams. Love the smell here too.
Same here.
And it's lemon yellow in color. I like it.
Yeah.
Amazing sound also.
Yeah. Inspektit bara kivaista meitä pakkoon.
This is also quite close to Hervanta, the biggest suburb of Tampere, of course.
Yeah.
On the light rail line.
Yeah.
And it's here in Hallila. You can press down. Even this one has this door breaker, so
Yeah.
that's why I believe it's early 91. Just like the 1990 ones, and there is also like early 1990 probably.
Yeah.
In Pohjois-Hervanta. Okay, that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Let's check the stickers there. If we did get another laser or not.
That's